Hello, digital marketers. Welcome to Best SEO EG, the only channel that gives you knowledge in digital marketing. For example, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, etc., etc., etc. Today, we shall be looking at how to get free traffic to our blog or website or store. So, without wasting too much time, let's get into today's session right about now. According to Google Analytics, we have different traffic sources, for example, organic, direct, paid, social, referral, display, and email. So we shall be looking at all these traffic sources, how we can use them to generate traffic to our content. However, if you're a new user to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell notification. So let's look at organic search. Organic search refers to free traffic from search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Organic traffic is by far the best traffic that your website can ever have. However, you have to write Google friendly user content. For example, you must consider things like site speed. You must consider things like content. Your content must be good, the keyword that you're targeting, and all that. I've done search engine optimization for a couple of years and I've been able to raise thousands and thousands of people have eyeballs on my content. This, however, takes time. It can take around 12 months to 1 year, even if you're doing the right thing. So, therefore, you have to be patient when you're doing organic search. Um, Google as well likes ranking content that is really so good. So, therefore, I recommend if you're a newbie, start using organic search. Secondly, let's look at social media traffic. We have different social media networks, for example, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. So we use all these social media networks to drive traffic to our content. How? Whenever you create a blog post, make sure you share this blog post on these different social media platforms. For example, you share a blog post on Facebook and look out for a target audience. Let me show you how you do this. Yes, so this is how you're going to do it. Shares your post on social media. So what you do, if you've created a Facebook page, for instance, go to Facebook, uh, then copy a blog link from your website, take it to Facebook and share it there. So first step taken. Hope now everybody has shared this Facebook post on their Facebook page. Secondly, let us look out for the target audience because you're looking for a target audience in this. So now what you're going to do, go to Facebook search. If you, for example, you're in a niche that sells healthy products, you sell products that help people to lose weight. So what you're going to do, you're going to search products that help people lose weight. Then you're going to join those groups. So once you join those groups, share your blog post to these groups, and boom, you're going to get traffic that is really, really, really in your niche. So these are guys who are going to look out for these products from your post to your website. So which other better means of getting free traffic is better than that? Number three is referral traffic. Referral traffic is the segment of traffic that arrives on your website through another source, like through a link on another domain. Analytics automatically recognizes where traffic was immediately before arriving on your site and displays the domain names of these sites as the referral traffic source in your reports. So therefore, whenever a user clicks a link on a different website to your website, now that becomes a referral traffic. For example, if you go and guest post on a different blog, then readers get through your post on that blog and then come or click a link and come to your domain, then that means that's referral traffic. In so doing, you'll get eyeballs on your content when you use referral traffic. Now that we've looked at the three ways that we can get free traffic to our blog, I have one more to go, and this is a very important hack for you people. One, make sure that you capture user information every time you set up a blog. For example, email address and username, or only email address. So that every time you're pushing out new content, you're able to send mails to these users. That's the fourth way how you can get free traffic to your blog or website. Remember, I'm talking to people who have a small budget, people who don't have too much money to go and do paid advertising. Now, the last two ways how you can get traffic to your website. This is not free traffic, but how you can get traffic to your website is by doing paid advertising. This is when you run different ads through search engines, for example, Google, Bing, and maybe also do some Facebook ads or LinkedIn, whatsoever. So this is the fastest way how you can get traffic to a website. But then remember, I take you back. I'm talking to people who don't have a huge budget. But if you can, then go splash out a few dollars and be able to get eyeballs on your content very, very fast. Then the last mode how you can get traffic to your website is by doing display advertising. Now, display advertising is when you pay for an ad space on a different website, so that when these users visit these people's website and they click on that ad, they're able to visit your website. Thank you for watching this. If you've liked it, leave a comment in the comment section below. More videos are coming, so stay tuned to Best SEO UG. We teach people how to make money online, content marketing, SEO, or search engine optimization, email marketing, etc., 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 etc. See you in my next video.